Now, students, so we are going to discuss third bit. So what is there in third bit? Here, fill in the placeholders with, this is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, this is equal to symbol. These three symbols he gave. So these are the placeholders. Here one holder is given. Here, 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 here. In these three holders, so we have to write, if greater than is there, we have to apply greater than here. If less than is there, we have to apply less than. Here equal to symbol is there. If they are equal values, then we have to apply equal symbol. So then what symbols we have to apply? First, here the comparison is given between the two numbers. The two numbers, how the two numbers are? One number is in Roman numeral, other one is Hindu Arabic numerals. First we have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numeral. Then after that we have to check which one is bigger, which one is smaller. If bigger is there, then use greater than. If smaller is there, use less than. Or if both are equal, then use equal to symbol. So in that way we have to do. First, here, this number we have to write in Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic system. Then here 10 and 10. X and X repeat twice. 2 times it repeats. 2 times it repeats means we have to add 10 2 times. 10 plus 10. And after that here V is there. V means 5. This 5 is lesser than this 10, means addition. So that is why addition symbol. And after that 5. And after that 1 is there. 1 means the smaller than this 5, addition. Plus 1, plus 1. And this 24 as it is, take as it is. Okay. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. This is 26 and this is 24. This is 24. In 26 and 24, 26 is bigger and 24 is lesser. Which symbol will come? So here greater than 26 is greater than, this number is greater than 24. Here the smaller, this is smaller side, we should get this intersection portion. This intersection portion always should show the smaller one. Here the intersection portion will come here. Why? Because this is the smaller, this is the smaller portion. Smaller number is this side and bigger number is this side. So 26 is greater than 24. 26 is bigger than 24. Greater than symbol will come here. Here X means 10 and I means 1. Here this is the bigger number, then after that smaller number is there. So after that bigger number is first, bigger number is there, then after that smaller number is there. So addition. This 9 as it is. 10 plus 1, 11 and this 9. 11 and 9. In 11 and 9, 11 is bigger than this 9, means greater than, again greater than symbol. This is greater than, 11 is greater than 9. This intersection portion should always come in less value side. Less value side, it means the greater than. 11 is greater than 9. Then after that here X. X means 10. Then in these two numbers, I and X is there. I is a smaller number and X is a bigger number. Smaller number here, smaller number is first and the bigger number is next. In smaller number is on left side of a bigger number. So subtraction. Subtraction. How subtraction? 10 minus 1. Here in between we keep plus sign. And here 19 as it is. 10 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 10 plus 9 is 19 and here 19. Both are 19 both are equal. So here it is 19, it shows 19, here also 19. So equal to symbol. It shows equal to symbol. So this is bigger than, this is bigger than, this is bigger than. Bigger than means greater than symbol and equal to symbol. What we placed in holders? In first, greater than symbol we placed in holder, and in second, greater than again, and equal to in third. Now here in fourth, x, x, x. 3 Roman numeral repeats means we have to add. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then after that v is there. V means a smaller than 10. Smaller than 10 means smaller number is on right side. If smaller number is on right side, we have to add plus 5. And this 9 as it is. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 and 9. It means this 35 value is bigger than that 9. Bigger than means greater than symbol will come. Here intersection portion shows less value. So we keep like this. So it is greater than symbol. 35 is greater than 9. Then after that here x, this direct representation is there. Then it represents 10 and this is 11. In these two, 11 is a bigger than, this is the smaller than. Means the intersection portion shows a smaller side like this. So this is smaller. Intersection portion is always on smaller side. It means 10 is less than 11. 10 is less than 11. Then after that, here x and x. 2 times x repeats here. It means add 10 plus 10. After that, in between these two, how the numbers are. Here the smaller Roman numeral is on left side of a bigger Roman numeral. So subtraction 10 minus 1, in between plus symbol, and this 29 as it is. 10 plus 10, 20, plus 10 minus 1, 9, and this 29 as it is. 20 plus 9, 29, and here also 29. Both are equal, so equal will come in our given holder. So like this, in this format, so we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. First we have to convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numeral, and after that we have to decide which symbol will come in the holder, either greater than or less than or equal to. According to that symbol we have to keep in our holder. Yes, now students, here our maths lab activity. So then how to do our lab activity. See here, take some matchsticks, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever your wish. So take some matchsticks and first you write the Hindu-Arabic numerals 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Here I am showing just for example. So here I am taking 1 to 5 Roman numerals. Then after that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 till 39 Roman numerals you have to take, and you have to do by your own. Okay. So then how to do our lab activity. First, 1 is there. Then how to represent 1 in Roman numeral? That is I. That is I. So this is the representation of 1 in Roman numeral. Then I means we have to take 1 matchstick and keep like this. We need number of matchsticks. How many matchsticks here? Take 1 matchsticks. How many matchsticks we need? Number of matchsticks. That is 1. 1 matchstick we need. Then 2. Then how to represent 2 in Roman numeral? That is I and I. Means 2 matchsticks we need. 1 like this and 1 more like this. Then how many matchsticks here we need? 2. Number of matchsticks 2. Then 3. What is the representation of 3 in Roman? I. 3 times I. 1 matchstick for 1 I, 1 matchstick. 1 more I, one matchstick, and one more I, another matchstick. Total how many matchsticks we need? 3 matchsticks. Number of matchsticks we need? 3. And after that 4. 4 representation already we discussed. Then how? That is like this, I and V. I first. I will come first and V like this, like this. One matchstick like this, another matchstick like this. In this way we have to keep 2 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3. 3 matchsticks we need. 3 matchsticks we need. For 5. 5 is representation of V. Matchsticks we have to keep 1 matchstick like this, another matchstick like this. This represents 5. Number of matchsticks required 2. So for 6, if you want to take 6, then how to write 6? VI. 1 matchstick like this, another matchstick like this, and I like this. Then how many matchsticks total we need? 3. In this way you have to arrange your matchsticks and form Roman numerals, and after that you have to write how many matchsticks we need here to write the Roman numerals, to arrange the Roman numerals by using matchsticks. So you have to keep number of matchsticks in the last column. So here till 6 we did. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all remaining Hindu-Arabic Roman numerals are there. Then how to arrange using matchsticks, how to write, how to arrange, how to use matchsticks, and to show the given Hindu-Arabic Roman numerals into Roman numerals. Then after that number of matchsticks, how many matchsticks you used, that you have to write in the last column. This is our lab activity.